What's up YouTube, Crafting Cars here. Today I'm going to start working on that B16 I bought for my Honda Civic. But first things first, I'd like to showcase the cars for you guys. So I put together a little montage. Please enjoy.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets me
Alright, so now that you're all caught up to speed on my Civic, it's time to start working on this new motor. The first thing I want to do, since I'm working kind of top to bottom on this thing, is refinish this crusty ass valve cover. Alright, so I got the valve cover off and it's time to clean it up. What I'm going to do is sandblast the whole thing and then get all the grease off it. Alright, so I finished sandblasting my valve cover. Now all I gotta do is tape it off and get it ready for paint. Alright, we're masked off and all ready to spray. Alrighty, so we got the whole thing painted. I'm super excited about how it looks. The only thing I have left to do is to sand all the paint off the letters, so I'm probably just going to go on with the razor blade, scrape off as much paint as I can, and then I've got a sanding block to take off the rest of it. Alright, so I went ahead, got the letters all sanded down to 800 grit, and this thing is completely transformed now. I like it. As always, thank you for tuning in to Crafting Cars. This valve cover is really only the beginning of this entire build series I got going on here. So if you like what you see, make sure you got your notifications turned on so you can see our epic uploads every single Friday. Also, don't forget to drop a like on the video, tell your friends about us, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe.